na in-exercise ko siya everyday. Kasi yung pagkanta natin is a muscle memory. Kailangan niya ng proper placement for everything. So, yun, kailangan lang siya exercise para ma-muscle memory mo siya. And, tulog, be. Kaso wala ako nung. So, huwag lang uminom. Yun lang. Huwag lang uminom. Ayun talagang pinakabawal. Bawal talagang uminom. Yung magpuyat pwede pa yun, pero yung uminom bawal talaga. So, kung singer ka, huwag mo talaga siyang gagawin. Yung uminom naman ng manulig na tubig, okay lang naman yun. As long as hindi pa napapagod yung vocal cords mo. Okay lang yun. Wala naman bawal.
Okay, thank you so much. This is the last question. Pwede ka daw ba magpahapyaw ng kanta or pwede ka daw bang mag-sample for the audiences?
Oo naman. I can have it all, dancing for my life. Take your passion and make it happen. No pictures come alive, now you dance right through your life. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Maxi, for the heartwarming question and answer for the preparation for your Maxiverse the concert. So before we officially close this press conference, we would like to thank all the media here, especially Manila Concert Scene, Philippine Concert Scene, Philippine Daily Inquirer, ABS-CBN, Drag Fans Philippines, and also from the online viewers from Beyond and Drag Fans Philippines. And eto pa, ini-invite ko lahat na manood ng Maxi the Concert.
So, Maxiverse.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. The Maxiverse the Concert. At para sa mga nag-aabang for the second day, is it possible? Let's wait for the next update at Beyond Limits EP Facebook page, IG, and Twitter. We can't wait to drive you to majestic and roller coaster ride to the universe with Maxi. Once again, I am Ramon Gamay Jr., host for the day, and bye for now. Thank you so much.
Oh, we invite all the media for a photo.
Yes.
Yes,
Thank
very
you.
nice.
Visit naman siya, DJ.